House of hustle, smoke thicker than paint. Bong so big it could baptize a saint. Roll it, light it, pass it round quick. Sticky in the hall with a bong hit trick. I don't smoke kush out of jars like wine. OG haze got me lost in time. Skunk strain loud like a trumpet band. Gelato so sweet make the floorboard stand. Eyes half closed but the lungs on fire. TT count got the roof climb higher. One bong rip, see the stars collapse. Two rips deep, now I'm spitting out maps. Clouds so thick you could surf on smoke. Moon rock crumble when the house folk choke. Sticky fingers resin on every bill. Still roll blunts till the ashtray fill.
Barber got haze in the barbershop jar. Sour diesel twist and a Cuban cigar. I smoke strains that ain't hit the charts. Purple punch bowling down, hustler carts. Keef on the blade like a frosty trim. Roll so fat it could bench the gym. Smoke rings cut like a barber's line. Every puff razor edge, THA divine. I light up hash with the scissor spark. Blunt so loud, wake the house in dark. From cookies to kush, I done seen it all. Puffin' Skittles till the ceiling fall. Whoa! Bong rips and barber clips. Clouds roll heavy where the lighter flicks. Sticky haze deep, let the rafters peel. Weed smoke thick like a cutthroat seal. Bong rips and barber clips. One blunt spark and the room all flips. House on haze and the high so real. Brick by brick on a hustler's deal.
I smoked on wax, I smoked on shatter. I smoked strains, make the whole world scatter. One cone packed with a pound inside. Had the chandelier swing like a carnival ride. Keef in the grinder, hash on deck. Moon rock drip, make the lungs go wreck. Barber laugh hard, but he know my style. I've been smoking out halls for a hustler's mile.
I smoked on gorilla, I smoked on glue. Strain so sticky, got stuck to my shoe. Barber pole spin with the smoke I spark. I light up haze in the house of dark. My THC count like a barber's bill. Every hit stacked and I top it still. Clouds cut deep like a razor fade. Even sticky tap out when the smoke parade. But there's one man left, a true smoke done. We've been hyping him up, now it's time he's on. House can't stand when he light that pack. Well here he come, the dawn on track.
Here come the dondada, me spliff on fire. My lungs big drum and the smoke go higher. Pounding my pipe cone tall like tower. I bun down strain in a holy shower. OG push to the lamb's bread strung. White widow roll in a chalice lung. Purple haze cloud turn day to dust. I smoke more trees than a lumber truss. THC drip in my vein like rum. My high so loud make the angels dumb. Blunt off the blunt till my eye gone red. I smoke in my sleep and I smoke in my bed. Keep crown glitter, my chalice gold. I puff more smoke than the stories told. Me roll one spliff that could drown the sea. House bow down when me pass that tree. No man compared to the smoke I bring. I puff on strains fit for crown of king. Every cone pack heavy, my high don't fall. Thunder to burn down the house and all.
Bong rips and barber clips. Clouds roll heavy where the lighter flicks. Sticky haze deep, let the rafters peel. Weed smoke thick like a cutthroat seal. Bong rips and barber clips. One blunt spark and the room all flips. House on haze and the high so real. Brick by brick on a hustler's deal. Oh brother, feel my face. Then pass it back, mate. Pass it back, mate.